यस, फुटबॉल बाहर जा रहा है। यस, ओके, गुड शॉट भावेक, विल दे गेट सिंगल? यस, हाँ रे भाई, कहाँ है बैटिंग भी? यस, हाँ राजू, यस यस, भावेक, ओ गुड शॉट भावेक, इफ यू हिट अ फोर, 5,000 प्राइस फ्रॉम हरी अंकल। भावेक, सिंगल फोर, 5,000 प्राइस। शॉट भावेक, ओ माय गॉड। निकेत निकेत आउट हो गया ना? प्लीज जल्दी खेलिए, चीते आ गए हैं ग्राउंड पे। चीतों का हो गया आक्रमण यहाँ पे। गुड शॉट फ्रॉम मानस कालानी, ग्रेट शॉट, विल दिस बी अ बाउंड्री? Good shot actually. It's a boundary by Manas. Awesome batting, Manas. Yes, Manas, good shot again. Will this be a second run? Yes, they will run for two. Definitely, yes. Manas running back. Good running actually. Good fielding, yes. Yes, score is now 10 after 1 over to start proceeding. Second over, 3 over match actually. Start, please start. Don't delay. क्या हुआ? Please don't delay. Football. तो आराम से बेटा. Score is 10 now. Second over to be bowled by Gaurav. He is a great bowler actually. Goral on strike. Khatri. Good shot. It will be a good ball actually. White ball. Oh, Empire, you are energetic now. Still. Great. Niket, I want you to be out, please. You are above 15. Oh my, that again a white ball. I think, yeah. They will 2 runs. Good running here. Lovely running from Goral. White ball. Score moves on to 14, I think now. 14 in single over. थोड़ा फास्ट fast, please. Chaliye, come on, fast. Score is 14 now. Second over to start. Shot from Goral. They will take at least single. They may get two at least. Yes, they may run for two. Can they come for three? No, they won't take three. Tiny legs actually. Lovely. Well played. 1.116. 1.116 now. Score is 16. Second ball of second over. Good. Good bowling. Great fielding. Good. Score is 16. Good bowling. Gaurav. Second. Oh my God. It's white again. 17 now. Come on, Gaurav. Ball straight. Give singles. No worries. But don't fight. Score is 17. Come on, Gaurav. Gaurav to Goral. Yes, good shot. Will this be a single? Yeah. Oh my God. Well tried, Gaurav. Gaurav, well tried. Score is 18 now. 1.3. 18. Score is 18 now. 1.3. Oh, good shot. Good ball actually. They don't take a single. Manas, it was a single actually, but Manas denied the single. Score 6 to 18 now. 1.418. Only more 8 balls to go. Score is 18. Around 40 should be the target, which they are looking for actually. Score is 18 now. 1.4. Good shot from Manas Kalani. Will this be a no? Yes. Good running, good fielding, lovely fielding. Darshu, good fielding here. They will take two. Great running. They come for third. Lovely running. Will they come for fourth? Yes, they are. They won't. Score is 21. 1.5. 21. Good shot actually. Very good fielding. Who was the fielder? Love. Very good fielding, Love. Love you. Score is 21. Last ball of second over. Gaurav bowling to Goral again. Goral is a hard striker of the ball. Hard striker actually. Yes, Gaurav to Goral. Last ball. Second over. Good ball actually from Gaurav. Class ball. Score 6 to 21. End of 2 overs. Manas will take the strike. क्या हो गया बाबा इनके भी नखरे बाबा अरे यार यार right right ಈಗ దాన్ని score is 21 now 21 in 2 overs. Last over now. Goral declared, I think. कौन गया अंदर अभी? भाविक? अंदर कौन गया? अच्छा, दर्श. Okay. Oh my God, what was that? Bingri shot? Good. Yes. Video they don't. Okay. Karthik Nagdev is bowling. Third and last over actually. Third over in progress. It's a wide ball. Come on, ball aligns straight actually. Score is 22 now. 2.1. What I can see, huh? I don't know update. What is update actually? Oh my god. Last 4 balls. Manas Kalani, new bounty captain. You wanted here on the commentary box, please. Raju uncle. Yes. Give a bat share, huh? If you want to give a bat share, ये है ना कप्तान पप्पी है ना जैक्सन बैट समाना बच्चों की yes 2 balls to go actually last 2 balls हाँ राजू yes openers of RC channel will not come out good fielding actually lovely good throw Ronet ए क्या है बेटा ये बैट्समैन क्या कर रहे हैं अभी ये स्कोर इज 25 लास्ट लास्ट बॉल हो गया ओवर डन रन चलो रन आरसी के ओपनिंग बैट्समैन वहीं खड़े रहेंगे आरसी के ओपनिंग बैट्समैन आरसी के ओपनिंग बैट्समैन वहीं खड़े रहेंगे या मैं रिक्वेस्ट द कैप्टन ऑफ नेक्स्ट लेवल एंड कैप्टन ऑफ PSP 11 अमित हाँ शिवानंदा राइट या मनीष एंड Manish and Manish, you need to bat or ball? Come. Toss the करना ना यार. Yes, I will live here. Thank you. Yeah, heads you win, tails he lose. Okay. Ready? Call. Amit. Amit won the toss. Elected to bat. Ha. Yes. Require 26 actually in 3 overs. Bowling start please. Ball. क्या चाहिए? नाश्ता बताइए. Ram, kids should get Ram please. Kids please. इतना ही है. 100 पैकेट और मंगाओ. 26 target. 26. Yes, can we start, umpires? Bhavik, are we ready to start? Ready? Chalo, done. Play ball. Target 26. Come on, fast, chalo ball. Bowler is Rishi Krishnani Rishi to ball to Gaurav. Rishi to Gaurav. चीता, चीता भी पीता है. Yes, yes, please start the game. Good shot here. Oh my God, they will take single at least. Oh my God, they will take two. No, they won't. Just a single. Good bowling from Rishi. Rishi Krishnani bowling his first over. Required is 26 in 18 balls. It's a single now. Good shot. They'll get single at least. They'll take two. Yes, definitely two. No, good fielding here. Oh my God. Good fielding actually. Score is two now of two balls. Amit, खटे हार जे अरे कहाँ है ये अपना अमित अमित रोहिरा who won the toss बिनी हेड चे तू हेड जोने हेड ची बिनी हेड चे ना अरे धूप में निकला न करो रूप की रानी धूप में निकला न करो रूप white ball actually yes score 1-3 now of 3 balls required 26 in 18 balls actually now 24 in 15 balls yes Rishi come on set the field fast come on हाँ क्या हो बेटा उनका एक्स्ट्रा प्लेयर है ओ कोई बात नहीं गलती से गलती हो गई चुका नहीं भूल झाली काय हरकत नाही चला खेळूया Oh my God, good ball actually. It will be white ball. Score moves to 4 now. Required 22 of 15 balls now. 22 required of 15 balls. Oh, good ball. It's a bold actually. What was that? Nothing. Dot ball actually. Rishi, good bowling actually. Good bowling, Rishi. Score is 4 of 4 balls. 22 required. Ratan is eager to go inside to bat. 22 required of 14 balls now. Oh my God, that's allowed. That's really a catch. They will take at least two. No, they will take only one. Good fielding, good throw. And Bhavik will collect the ball and is run out actually. Oh my God. Fire in the mountain. Run, run, run. Score is 4 now. I think 5 actually. Score 5. हाँ जी RC channel पीछे आएंगे please Niket on the green chatai mat actually yes RC team please come back thank you 6 score is 6 now Aditya Nagdev now oh my God stumping oh my God good Bhavik what a bowling come on next batsman दूसरा run Aditya Nagdev stumped Bhavik bowled by Rishi took 2 wickets actually हाँ आपको जाना है क्या okay bye yeah run please run come on Aditya yeah Love Lulla will now be on non-strike I think actually yes and Gaurav will face run batting who is the bowler now Manav 20 required of 12 balls 20 of 12 balls yes यहाँ बात करना ही नहीं नीचे बात ही नहीं करना 20 required in 12 balls. Yes. White ball actually, yes. 19 required of 12 balls. Bowler is Rishi. Oh, sorry. Neil Ahuja. Neil. 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 Neil Ahuja. 19 required of 12 balls. Good shot from Gaurav. They will take 2 at least. Yeah. Oh, good misfield here. They will take at least 3 runs now, I think. Yes, they will take 3. Yes, definitely 3. 16 more required of 11 balls now. 16? क्या बोलते 16 required of 11 balls. 16 required of 11 balls. Bowler is Neil Ahuja. Good shot. Will to the boundary. Definitely yes. Good fielding here. Super. Young. Super fielding here. Awesome fielding. 15 required of 10 balls now. Superb here. Yes, they will take at least 2. I think yes. Oh, good fielding here. Superb. Come on, Bhavik. Good fielding. Good keeping. Good bowling. 14 required of 9 balls. 14 required of 9 balls now. Oh my God. Again, they will take 2 at least. Yeah. No, they won't take a risk. They are taking a risk. Lovely. Good running actually. Good running. Good throw. But they complete 2. Require out 10. Oh, sorry. Out, yes, 10. Now 7 balls, I think. 8 balls. No, no. 12. 8 ball 12. White ball. They will take 2 at least. Require 10 of 8 balls now. Require 10, I think. White plus run. By भी ना 2 रन है इसका 2 रन था ना ये बेटा एक white और एक ये नहीं नहीं एक बटे Oh my God. Last ball now. Over. Last ball. 11 required in 7 balls. अरे लास्ट ओवर क्या है ये अपडेट क्या है भैया सुजीत ओके या 11 required in 6 balls. Bowler is Goral Khatri is a great bowler actually. गोरल विजय खत्री और ये ऑब्जेक्शन आ गई है नेक्स्ट लेवल के लिए वो प्लेयर को डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है अंदर वहां पे आपके वजह से नेक्स्ट लेवल प्लेयर को डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है वहां पे आपके वजह से 11 required of 6 balls गोरल oh great ball they will take single or they'll take 2 they will take 2 definitely 2 yes well played Gaurav Bakshani 9 required of 5 balls now 9 required of 5 balls 1 run short actually 10 required now of 5 balls 10 required of 5 balls now 10 required of oh sorry 9 required actually bowling great ball actually सुजीत एक शॉट था पहले इसके पहले ओके ग्रेट बॉल मिसफील्ड बाय भाविक कीपर भाविक मिसफील्डेड Oh my God. Require 9 now. 3 balls. Yes. Can they get 2 runs now? Yes, they will try for 2. Great running. Bike is there. Oh my God, he missed the stumping. I think 7 required. और कितना required है? 2 ball 6 run. Good, good. What a fight. What a fight. Next level are ready to ball. Oh, white ball. 5 required of 2 balls now. What a match. What a match. Oh my God. My heart is beating. Ah, my heart is beating. 5 required of 2 balls. Awesome match. Lovely, you kids. You're playing. We can't have super over now. I'm sorry.